Your electric vehicle represents the very latest in automotive technology. It's efficient and fun. Unfortunately, EVs are extremely complex machines. Unexpected repairs can really put a dent in your wallet if the manufacturer's warranty has run out or isn't as comprehensive as you thought. You can protect your investment and your budget with an EV-specific service contract from Portfolio. Portfolio One EV offers the coverage you need for critical systems such as your vehicle's drive motor, primary drive battery, friction braking, steering and suspension, navigation and driver assistance, and more. Portfolio One EV goes beyond the factory warranty to deliver the comprehensive coverage you need. And every Portfolio service contract comes with amazing benefits, including reimbursement for roadside assistance, trip interruption, and substitute transportation. Go beyond the factory warranty. Protect your vehicle and your budget. Choose Portfolio One EV.